Welcome everyone, and I am inviting you to practice to see, to be attentive what's going on in your mind, in your emotions, and in your body. So most of you, I call it those oracles who are deeply dreaming, deeply feeling people. It's very likely that when you are walking outside and you meet and you have these connections with people, you're picking up on emotions, thought forms, and pain bodies that are actually not yours because you are deeply feeling. 90% of those things are probably not yours. So paying attention to that and acknowledging during the day, it can save you a lot of troubles. More about it, of course, you will find some examples in my series books, The Oracles, and of course Dancing on the Edge. And we also practice in the group. Those of you who like to practice in the view, you can reach me by my email and sign up for Stardust Practice. And those of you who like to do it alone, I, of course, hear the stories from the Polish side more and more, that just by reading it, your permanent memory is activated. So let my books assist you the best possible way it can. And also, if you like a painting, also you can check my website store and print the digital art and let it serve you the best possible way. So have a great attentive time with yourself and those around you, and wonderful time in whatever you do. Ciao for now, seeing you soon. Bye bye.